This is a Mining Interactive video production.
This is mininginteractive.com. I'm your host, Denise Poole. Right now we are here speaking with James Turk. He is the founder and chairman of Gold Money, and you can visit their website at www.goldmoney.com. Hello, how are you today, James?
Very good, thank you.
Thank you for being here.
It's a pleasure.
Now we're going to get right into the questions. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your company? I'm sure everyone would like to know that.
Yes, I'm the founder and chairman of Gold Money. I started it approximately 7 years ago. We're a very easy, convenient, economical, and most importantly, safe way to buy and sell gold and silver online. We're storing about $300 million worth of gold and silver for our customers in two different vaults, one in London, England, and one in Zurich, Switzerland. All of the gold is insured, and people have control over which vault or both vaults, whether they want to store their gold and silver.
Now you feel that everyone should own gold and silver. Why is that?
Yeah, I really do. I think it's really the bedrock asset of everyone's portfolio. It's the only money that doesn't have counterparty risk. In other words, it's not based on someone's promise. And we're seeing in the financial markets today how important that is, to have that money, to have that liquidity that's not contingent upon the promise of a bank to make good on your money or the promise of some brokerage company to make good on your money or a money market fund or anything else. It's a tangible asset, and in that sense it comes without this counterparty risk. Also, gold has a proven history of being not only money but also a safe haven. So that's another important reason why it should be a bedrock asset in your portfolio.
Now, can you explain to our viewers the difference between physical gold and what you call paper gold?
Yeah, that's really a good question, because a lot of people say they own gold, but in fact they really don't. They own what I call paper gold, which is just a promise to actually receive gold. For example, if you own a pool account or even an ETF, with an ETF you don't actually own the physical metal, you own an equity. If you own a pool account, you own someone's promise to give metal to you when you ask for it. With paper gold, you have exposure to the gold price. That's what you own. You don't actually own physical metal. Now, given the importance of gold and silver in one's portfolio, you really want to own the physical metal. And there are basically two ways to do that. You can either store the metal yourself, you buy it and store it yourself, or you can work with a company like ours, Gold Money, where we will actually store it for you and give you a choice of different locations for storage.
So I guess what people would like to know is, how do you go about buying physical gold? Yeah,
well, what I first recommend doing is going to either a search engine like Google or and type in buy gold and see some of the different alternatives, or go to a website like goldprice.org and look at the rate comparisons of the different alternative ways to buy, physical metal, and then see what actually works best for you and see what you feel most comfortable with, and then go ahead and begin acquiring metal. But what you want to absolutely make sure is you're dealing with a reputable dealer, and that you're very comfortable that the controls and procedures that they have in place, like we have in Gold Money, provide the assurances of integrity that the gold and silver that you're buying are real gold and silver, and that if you choose to work with the company to store it for you, that your gold and silver is safe. People often ask me, well, what are the three most important questions I should be asking you about buying physical metal? And it's, is your gold safe? Is your gold safe? Is your gold safe? That's what it comes down to.
That is, well, that's really good information. I'm glad that you were here able to share that with us. Thank you very much, James.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Now, once again, to visit their website, it is goldmoney.com. Please do check that out. For mininginteractive.com, I'm Denise Poole.